Today I want to show something how you can know if whether your car is misfiring, the easiest way to deal with it. So I got this, the diagnosis tool, and here I've got a petrol car. This is for petrol engine, this check is for petrol engines. It's a Mazda Axela. I want to show you how you can know the misfire. If unasikia msee amesema I replaced my plugs, I replaced the injectors, I replaced the ignition coils, I replaced everything. So I want to show you how you can know kama gari iko na misfires. So you just get this diagnosis tool, you connect it where the car is running, or you just scan it, the regular diagnosis. You just do a smart detection, unafanya tu diagnosis. Nitawashow mahali mtu unaingia, unasoma live data ya hizo nini zote, hizo reading zote. You can know the total misfire counts zenye engine ishaikuwa nazo ama zenye engine iko nazo at that particular moment bila kufunguanisha kitu, so that you can now determine mahali shida iko. So misfires huletwa na vitu tatu. It can be either gasket imekatika at compression in a leak, hiyo ni number 1. Number 2, inaweza kuwa kuna ignition coil moja yenye ni faulty, haitumi volt pale hivi kwa spark plug, hiyo ni number 2. Number 3, inaweza kuwa ni spark plug zenyewe ziko faulty. Number 4, inaweza kuwa the fuel injectors, upate kuna zenye ziko na uchafu, maybe uliweka mafuta mbaya na hukujua, so inaweza cause misfire pia. So after scanning, unaingia kwa live data, una read data streams. Now after reading the data stream, you come for the cylinder misfire counts for everything. Then you check kama cylinder 2 iko na misfire, cylinder 3 iko na misfire. You can see kama iko na misfire itakuwa 1, 2, 3, total number of misfires. Kama haina misfires itakuwa 0. So inafai maintain 0 zote. Ukipata kuna yenye iko na misfire either cylinder 2, you check the fuel injector, the spark plug and the coil. So kama ni coil itakwambia ignition coil number 1. Kama ni plug huwezi jua, lazima uangalie physically kama inachoma vizuri. It should be brown in color. Kama ni injector, sasa utaonea hapa. After replacing or renewing, unaweza rudi hapa kwa live data na usome tena uone kama imewahi. That's the easiest way to know kama gari ya petrol iko na misfire. This is for any car, not just this one. So that's how you check the condition or the misfires of your engine. Using the diagnosis tool, you just need to check the live data of your engine. Also, we have got a new website, www.potentdynamics.com. I've listed some few informations over there. There are blogs about cars, there's pre-purchase inspections. You can see the document from your side on your search engine. You just need to search for Potent Dynamics. Also, on the pre-purchase inspections, you can either book us, or if you are an enthusiast, you can do it for yourself. There are over 60 points where you can check. There are test drive checks and everything, so you can just do it for yourself. The top secret part, and then the parts where you can inspect the car for yourself before you even view. You save a lot because you don't have to buy a car yenye imesororo. You just need to visit our website. Thank you.